Put your other hand up there and hold it. So the wind don't blow.
Frick, you do it. Oh.
Here, hold this then. Your videotape.
Well,
Your videotape.
I'm a better
You have to put
videotaper.
the, we say light.
Where is it?
You have to put the light on it. See it? Really?
Hold this, David.
Shine it up there.
Get it? The lighting did it?
It's on the bottom. Just cut the bottom and stuff.
Look at that. Right over that. It's gonna hit it.
What?
Okay.
Oh God! It's where the fire thing is, like the pole line.
Let's report that. It's not lighting.
Where's the other one at?
There, dude. This one there.
We're gonna do this one. We're just gonna light and throw it.
No!
No.
It's your top!
Does it?
Yeah, you have to. You got one in your
Here.
hand. You should 10 of those. It just goes.
That thing stinks.
Hey, shoot this way. So look, let's shoot this sign right there.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What is that? No, Dad.
That goes up, David. Shoots up in the air.
Dad, stop.
What is he doing?
Oh, God.
What the?
No, you're lighting the wrong way through. Oh God. God, it's shooting at us. It's shooting at us.
Run! Run!